Gang, wait till, yo, you is sweating your ass off. Hold on, let's take a break. So I diligently checked, searched YouTube channels, videos, reviews, everything. And Theoreme is the one that stuck out. Well, mainly because it's a Bulgari Tiger clone. Bulgari Tiger is a zesty grapefruit smell that can't be matched. It's a must-have. But at $400, we need an alternative right now. Maybe later, but right now we need an alternative. And then that is where we come up with Theoreme. Theoreme by Rue Broca, sister company of Afnan, clone company. And gang, don't be afraid to clone. They're here, already on the shelves at your local perfume store. Go check some of them out. Now, Rue Broca said to give us the best clone of Bulgari Tiger. Oh, at least that's what the streets are saying. So, you know I had to go check it out. Because I like that unique, luxury, different smell. So when I walk by, you get a whiff, you'll be like, oh, what is that? I ain't never, ever, and I mean ever, smell something like that. And those are the kind of vibes that I'm looking for right there. So let's get into some of the notes. Theoreme is a woody, spicy fragrance. Top notes consist of all that good citrus in it. Middle notes is the amber. Whew, I love some amber. Amber and woody notes. The base is laid out with that musky, spices, and patchouli. Now, that's enough of all that good stuff. We did all that talking about why and how we got here. I know what time it is. Let's get to it. Let's go ahead. Ooh, this is gonna be a little difficult right here. Okay. Check that out. Oh, there we go. Woo! Goodness, gang. Check that out. Good little box there. Lifts up from the top. 3 fluid ounces. EDP. Let's get to it. Okay, there we go. Ooh, look at this little bottle. Look at the bottle. Yeah, I can see how that is. Let me put my fingerprint on there. Look at that fingerprint on there. Look at that. There we go. Oh yeah, so you definitely gotta wipe this down. I gotta keep this clean. You gotta grab the gloves. Got to grab the gloves with this joint. Nah, I ain't doing all that, but yeah. Oh, I can smell it already. That's what I'm talking about. That's a little weird bottle, you know? It's like what was the other weird bottle we were just talking about? Dior. No. Detour Noir. Exclusive, that was the other one. Okay, we'll get sidetracked. But look at, okay, we got a funny little bottle. We got it again. We got to put it in that crease here. Like that, get the little whiff. Let's see what it's at. Let's see what we going, gang. Oh, wow, that was weird. Okay. There we go. Oh, this is good. I can smell those spices in there. Yes, the woody. Oh yeah. I feel I can taste this. I can get that musk in there. Oh, gang, this feels like luxury right here, gang. This. Oh. This is almost my favorite summertime fragrance. But for those, when I want to be sophisticated, when I want to be like, yeah, I'm choosing this right here. This is great right here, gang. And so, matter of fact, let's come clean. Let's come clean, right? Have I ever smelled Bulgari Tiger? No. $400? Not yet. It's on the list though. But for $40, you can't beat this at all, gang. And it's a difference maker. And for all my newcomers, you don't have nothing like this in your collection right now. let's add some sophistication to your collection. Let's get that Theoreme. Oh man, this is, so I'm definitely gonna be adding for my rotation. Matter of fact, I got a boat party coming up soon. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this. In the summertime, definitely gonna be rocking this. Special occasion, boy. This is what I'm gonna be rocking. It's not just, this could be every day, but for me right now, for my collection, only on special occasions. Summertime, the difference maker, the separator. Yes, definitely, for sure. Show your boy some love. Hit that like button. Also subscribe so that you'll be able to see my new videos that's definitely on the way. And get down in the comments. Say if you already smelt it, how you feel about it. And what's your fragrance of the day. Until the next time, Richie Blue, frag out. Now we're gonna run that back one more time just to make sure you got it right, Blue. That's punishment. We're gonna do it again.